Welcome to my channel. I'm Shalini. Now, how many of you are still suffering from tooth problems and sick of visiting dental doctors every time? I guess there must be many of us, isn't it? So, today we are going to learn about our teeth and what will happen to it after using toothpaste, which is available in the market. And also, let's learn how to make DIY homemade natural tooth powder using some ingredients which we can easily find in our kitchen. Would you ever thought what happens to your teeth when you brush your teeth every day? Yes, obviously we think our teeth gets clean and also feels like our mouth is fresh. But no, brushing with too much toothpaste can damage enamel because children could swallow too much fluoride while their teeth are developing. This can lead to dental fluorosis, the white making and discolorization of teeth. The toothpaste which are available in the market may contain too much of fluoride, which is harmful for our kids and adult. Too much use of fluoride may cause health issues such as low mineralization, skeletal fluorosis, bone diseases, thyroid problems, neurological problems, etc. So friends, it is most important to make sure to look at how much of fluoride does your toothpaste contain. It is also better to use less toothpaste while you're brushing your teeth, like say a peanut sized squeeze will do better. But the most amazing option is to make your own tooth powder or toothpaste at home, which our ancestors used to do years ago. Now let's see what are the ingredients we need to make our own DIY tooth powder. The first ingredient you're looking at is cinnamon. Cinnamon compound can help prevent cavities, treat gum diseases, fight fungal and bacterial infections, and also bad breath. By utilizing sodium chloride, also known as salt, it acts as a gentle abrasive capable of removing stains from your teeth. Here I've used pink rock salt. Instead, you can also use normal white rock salt as well. Cooking soda has a natural whitening properties, which is why it is a popular ingredient in every commercial toothpaste. Soda creates an alkaline environment in your mouth which prevents bacteria from growing. The fourth ingredient is bitter cumin, which is also called as kala jera, is used extensively in traditional medicines to treat a range of diseases from vitiligo to hyperglycemia. It is considered to be antiparasitic and antimicrobial, and science has backed up claims of its use to reduce fever or as a painkiller. Link for bitter cumin kashayam is given below in the description box. Cloves work as an antifungal and antivirus. This is why cloves are used to cure different health problems such as toothache, cough, sore gums, indigestion, asthma, mouth ulcer, and stress. Cloves contain strong anesthetic known as eugenol, which similarly works as an antiseptic to fight bacteria that may cause infections. That is why cloves are so effective at fighting cavities and are often added to oral products such as toothpaste and mouthwash. In our ancient times, activated charcoal was also used in our tooth powders to remove stains from your teeth. It's believed that charcoal can remove pigments and stains from your teeth because it's highly absorbent. It also get rid of bacteria and toxins in the mouth. If you would like to see the making of activated charcoal, the link is given below in the description box. Neem leaves are the most effective used in preventing cavities and gum diseases. Mouthwash containing neem is a remedy for tooth decay, oral infections, preventing bleeding and sore gums. Also, twigs of neem trees are used as chewing sticks by people all over India. The link for making of instant neem leaf powder is below in the description box. Camphor helps in managing toothache and gum diseases due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce pain and inflammation in the tooth. It also prevents the growth of bacteria in gums and teeth. Camphor helps to reduce toothache and also controls bleeding from gums when applied on the affected area. The next step is to add all the ingredients in the mixer jar and blend them smooth and dry. Please do not add any water while blending all the ingredients. We also undertake homemade tooth powder orders. If you believe in natural products, please think of ordering your tooth powder with us. You can order or DM for any enquiries for my Instagram account at House of Living 2021. Me and my family are using this DIY tooth powder recipe since 1 year now. Trust me friends, it feels so good and refreshing. I hope you guys will try this tooth powder recipe at home. Please let me know how you feel about it in the comment box. Please make sure not to use any plastic containers to store your tooth powder, as it is very harmful for our health as well as our environment. Make sure to store the tooth powder in any glass or ceramic containers. You may not worry about the expiry of the product because as we have all used natural ingredients which is totally dried. Remember, natural things will not be spoiled soon and it is harmless. So please try and use natural products in your daily life as possible. Hope you guys are staying safe. Goodbye until next time.